Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this leaf-free 8-in-1 spinning scrubber. This is wireless. It features a 2500 mAh battery. Here on top we have a warranty. Nicely packaged. Got some little foam on top. We have, this is like a nice abrasive scrubber, probably for washing your car windows or things that are difficult to come off of there. And here we have the universal, it's like a Velcro base here that attaches on there, and that's going to allow me to just stick all of these onto each one. Here we have a nice scrubbing brush there. A little, wow, super soft, like a little buffing one for cleaning like furniture, delicate stuff. Instructions. Here we have a little foam pad. It's nice. Here's a little, oh, what is that called? It's right on the tip of my tongue. It's a cleaner. Microfiber, so this is good for buffing and polishing as well. Then we have a tapered round one, so that's good for getting into those corners nicely. And finally, another brush head there. Okay, whoa. We have our wire USB to USB-C charging cable. Here is the battery motor combination, everything right there. And then that comes with an extension. Sorry, it's a little loud. It comes with this, so we can extend it out. Screws right in there, just like that. And then this can also extend out further. So just one turn brings it in, and that one turn, it's about a quarter of a turn, allows you to get another foot on there and really get a different heights or areas that you need to reach. Okay, and these all, of course, this just screws in right here. If you need an extra handle or extra length, it's there for you, so that's pretty cool. It just screws right on there. I also like that you don't have to have it super long if you don't want to. If you're just using, you just need to hold this right here with your hand and clean. You don't need this handle on there. So either way, whatever your preference is, I really like that. I'm gonna go ahead and charge this up to full power. Let's show you guys how this works. Real quick, we're gonna put on the head here, and these should just snap right on there. So it has basically only one way that those can fit on there, and that's just going to slide right on there, and you're good to go. See if it's actually got some battery power in there. A lot of these have some already. Let's see, where's the charging port? So the charging port is right here. It's got this little plastic man, that's okay, so it has some lights here. It's an indicator of like how much battery charge you have. Sorry if you didn't hear me there, it's a little loud, but it just has the lights there and indicating how much battery charge. Yes, we had like 3 blue stars. Press it once, turns it on. Second time goes up one more speed higher, and then one more time and it turns it off. And then to take it off, these ones just pop right off of there. This one for the universal ones, it's with the Velcro. It's going to be able to put either this one, just goes right on there. This soft one, the pad ones just go on there like that. And that sticks on there nicely. These microfiber ones, these ones, you can probably just throw in your laundry and clean once you're done. This is a nice little buffing one for your car or whatever. I like that this is super small, seems to be decently powerful. I'm going to charge it to full and show you guys some different things here. Whether you're washing your car with just soap, you're trying to get these bugs off of there, it still leaves like stuff on there. So if you have your scrubber, And we can see that it still leaves some some guts and stuff on there. You have a scrubber. You see it help like deep clean, and the scrubbing gets into to get those bugs off of there and stuff like that. If you have like difficult, like a bumpy surface like this one, and the rag's not super easy to clean with, or a sponge isn't going to get those bugs off of there. So nice with like a scrubbing thing, you can just use that to scrub your vehicle. Yeah, it's also good for like road tar or brake dust, stuff like that that's on there. Obviously this brake dust has been on there a long time, but just rather than just trying to wipe it off though, it doesn't really do that good of a job like cleaning it off. You really need to scrub this stuff off and use almost like a different like chemical. But here we have some like algae and junk right here, so you can use a cloth and just kind of scrub away, and it takes kind of a lot of pressure or whatever. Or you just take your little brush here, kind of gets in all the nooks and crannies, washes it out pretty good there. And then if you want to clean your bathtub or whatever, and you don't want to sit down and scrub everything, just attach the handle here, screws right on there, as well as right here. And you can just sit in here, get some soapy water or bleach or whatever, turn that on. And clean wherever you want to. So it seems to be fairly strong. That's just on power 1. You could have the setting on power 2 if you want. So definitely seems handy in a lot of different applications, whether I'm cleaning my bathtub, scrubbing down the truck, or you could even use it for like dishes and stuff like that. Then you have all the different pads on there. You can buff your car with it, and all kinds of different things. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with it. It seems to have decent power. Then I couldn't really lag it out by applying too much pressure. I like that the handle, it extends, makes it easy to reach like further away places. And I like that also you can just have no handle at all. So if you need to get into a tight spot, it's just super easy. Just hold that right there. Yeah, so thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time.